Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on EagleCraft. This fantastic browser-based version lets you dive into the blocky world without any downloads or even an official account. It's completely free and accessible, making it super easy to start your adventure. You can explore vast worlds alone in single-player or connect with friends in exciting multiplayer servers. Let's get started on how you can begin playing today. To begin, simply open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Edge, and navigate to an EagleCraft website. Once there, you'll typically have the option to choose between two main versions, the classic 1.5.2 or the enhanced 1.8.8. After selecting your version, pick a fun username and customize your character's appearance. Don't forget to enable sound for the best experience. EagleCraft offers diverse ways to play. You can enjoy single-player mode, building and exploring in survival, creative, or hardcore settings. For social fun, jump into multiplayer and connect with friends or other players on various community servers. To ensure the smoothest experience, especially on less powerful devices, we recommend using browsers like Chrome or Edge. Also, try lowering your render distance in the game settings for improved performance. Playing with friends is a core part of the EagleCraft experience. You can easily join numerous community-run servers to build, explore, and battle together. The EagleCraft X 1.8.8 version is highly recommended for its enhanced features and greater stability. For those seeking even faster performance, look for websites offering WASM versions, which can double your frame rate. Some servers even allow crossplay with official Minecraft players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.